You guys ready for the sick field trip?
Yeah!
Oh no, the bus is on fire!
Oh, what is this?
Oh, it was
Yeah,
the
the
fog
fog
maker.
maker.
We're saved!
We're at the United Safety and Survivability Corporation, and we're going to see how the fog maker is made.
Safety and Survivability is a manufacturing company located in Exton, PA. It's a company that you may have not heard of before, but a company that makes many products that keep us safe every day.
They focus on delivering innovative safety solutions designed to help protect both life and property, working with many companies which you may be familiar with, including public transport companies such as SEPTA.
Here's a little bit about how it's made. First, the engineers and designers create a CAD model and start the building process. Then the materials are gathered and put together. The two canisters are assembled, including the larger canister, which contains nitrogen.
The way that the fog maker system works is there's a detection tube that is routed through the engine compartment, and if a fire event were to happen, that tube is melted, releasing pressure in that tube, holding back a valve, which is holding back pressure inside of the piston accumulator, as you see here. And when that valve is released from the initial pressure, the suppressant is delivered to the engine compartment.
Sure. My name is Hernan Barrientos. I'm the Director of Sales for Fog Maker, responsible for sales in South America and Caribbean.
So just find something that talks to your heart and that you love doing all the time, because you do it for so much time out of the day. You should really try to find something that you like to do that makes you happy, instead of going to work every day going, oh, I hate this job. If you hate your job, then go find something else to do, because it takes up so much of your life. And
We have found out that manufacturing is more than just the assembly and different components on a factory floor. It is a creative and complex dynamic process involving multiple individuals and groups with a wide range of educational backgrounds. The initial idea of the design and development of a product to the recruitment and development of talented staff, United Safety and Survivability shows us that manufacturing is an exciting, innovative, and crucial industry. We hope our video gives you a small insight into that.